Hello again, my name is Jiroux, and this is my Project 7 for CS 457 Computer Graphic Shaders at Oregon State University, where this cat is gonna be more quantized looking than it is right now. I just want to address this part quickly because it is already looking kind of quantized, meaning that the triangles that are inside the OBJ file are being translated and taken and made into these sort of blocks that we're seeing. So right now, the quantizing is very, very, very fine. It is happening as we are in model coordinates. I believe, let me make sure. Yes, so it's very subtle, but you can see that it's moving there. So we're in model coordinates, but when I switch it to I coordinates, it is much, much smoother. And I believe that this is because we're doing a double multiplication of the, I believe it's the projection matrix. So we're getting this like double scale effect, maybe. I don't know. We couldn't quite figure it out in office hours, but he said that it would be all right. So let's start with in model coordinates in order to get the quantizing going. Oh, and just to briefly show here, the lighting does work. It moves. It shows the different sort of things here, but we will play around with the lighting still as we get more quantized in. Here we go. Quantize. So yeah, now let's play with the lights, see where that goes. So we're getting different shadings on the cat here. And then also we can reduce the number of subdivisions. So this is the U level slider currently. And then as we have already made known, this is moving around the object. If we're recalling the stripes example from earlier in the year, where this is around the object, and so now if I toggle this and bring it to that, and let's go ahead and just quantize the cat more. Now it moves with the object. You don't see that sort of effect of it like trailing in between. Oh, excuse me. So sorry. So let's go ahead and give it another rotate. Let's show off how far the quantizing can go. There we go. Yeah, look at that cat. You know, it could kind of resemble a cat. Now let's go ahead and switch it to model coordinates and we get a different cat. You know, it's so flexible. Now you can bring it back in and get an actual cat shape. There we go. And then if I turn off I coordinates, it's a more polished cat, but it is still quantized. I can also change the U color. I know that wasn't a requirement, but it's just fun to do. Now we have a blue cat. See? Very nice looking blue cat. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this to quantize. Let me see. So it's staying together. Give it a good little rotate. Oh, okay. Trying to bring my cat to a neutral position now. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. You know, I can at least translate him back to center. There we go. So, I believe that is everything. Let me, I don't know, leave it on a cool image of a cat, all pixelated. When I was discussing this with Bailey, I said that I really like this because it is an interesting way of being able to censor things. Meaning, you know, just being able to take an image and give it the sort of effect. You know, you can't really make out that these are shadows, right? I mean, we can infer that they're shadows because we know what it's on, but if this were an image, say, and we could like do this effect, I think it's really good in that sense. Other than that, it's just great for Lego projects. So yeah, that is my project. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for my final project shortly. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.